my neighborhood and everybody that lives here. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah. What's up, guys? We're about to go try out my new camera, and I'll give you guys a little preview of the loudest car in Kitsap County. It is a Roush Mustang with no cats and no muffler, and it has side dumps on it, so it's pretty obnoxious. It's the Racexotics way, it's the Legends Rally way, and you get to ride a passenger seat. Hell yeah! Right, the goal is to get out of the neighborhood without making everybody want to shoot you. So you keep it below like 1,000 RPM and you should be fine. So the Mustang was too loud. So we are getting the catalytic converters put back on, but we're only getting 2 put back on. There's usually 4. So it should still sound pretty good, pretty loud.
Yeah, I usually charge extra for that.
You didn't want to display your knees, Just got the rear cats put back in the car, quieted down just a little bit, but it'll still sound pretty good. We're stuck in some traffic right now, but we're on our way out to see what Scott is up to. Probably go bug him or something. But as you can see, we're not really going anywhere very fast. All right, we're here.
Hey, can you help me push this?
What the hell is this thing?
It's a cord. Thinking about buying it. You know?
Does it qualify as an exotic?
I don't think so. It's an American.
Ferrari exhaust. Who needs it? Dude, that's a fat muffler system.
Dude, it's heavy. This whole system.
I put the cats back on mine, or one set of cats, and now it's just, it seems too quiet, but.
Does it? It's turbocharged too. Still a back seat back there. We can take the girls for a ride.
That is a tiny back seat. Oh, just some wires sticking out, no big deal.
Cut the wire exactly when I say. Green wire.
Yeah, boy. That's all for looks.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it a cooled air intake?
No, it's the exhaust.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, there's the turbo. And then it dumps. It doesn't
I thought
need
that
to
was
wide.
the fucking turbo.
I was wondering why you were filming that. That's the air bomb.
All right. Race Exotics doesn't claim to know everything. The Nobile. Whoa. Race cars for real. Roll cage. Too bad Scott blew it up. The horn doesn't work. What a ripoff. Tell me some things I could say about this right now. Some cool stats.
Made 75.
They made 75. It's British.
British with a Ford engine in it,
Ford engine,
which is why I like it.
which is why he likes it. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. And here, this thing hauls. We're out here on the dirt track. We got the kids running. It's pretty dope out here.
Think you can handle this automatic quad?
Yes, sir.
Hop off. Hop off. No room for her. Go right. Right's the bad way to go. There you go.
Doing it for Dale. Dale, yeah.
Such a hillbilly.
Broke it.
Of course he broke it. Figure we'll show you this old truck real quick. Yeah, it runs. Bet you never seen one of these before.
Yeah, this is my old ass truck.
Yeah.
Super dope.
We've got a bunch of them. Here's another one right here. This one's a. This is how we haul Andy's car home when it breaks down.
Right. This is what we're picking the Lotus up in. We're driving this bad boy across the country.
Yeah.
Picking up the Ferrari. Perfect, beautiful weather out. Just kidding. At a famous gas station car stop with the boys.
Oh shit. What?
Did you just figure that out? Damn.
I had no idea.
Ferrari.
I'm always like putting it, like I usually put it in here so it doesn't scratch the paint, but since I put the vinyl on it, I just put it on the vinyl. Dumb American hillbilly, just like you. For Dale.
Hell yeah, there we go. Getting some content.
Okay, some content. Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
So, you know, this is the old 9 to 5. The old 9 to 5.
You're doing this for advertisement, you better be paying us.
What the hell?
What happened where?
What happened here? There's a lot of space. You got trunk space now.
Yeah, it's so you can put your luggage in here now.
Nice. All right, peace out, dude. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, to do it. There's a squirrel. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know what we should do next. We're down for anything. So if it's doable, we'll try it. If it's not doable, we'll still try it. This is just episode 1 of many. We really enjoyed this, and thank you guys for watching. Racexotics out.